Hello everybody, thank you for joining me for day 4 of our uniquely creative advent calendar. So here's envelope number 4. I have no idea what's in here, it's flat, but that's all I can tell you. Okay, so it is this gorgeous inlaid star die, and I'm going to come and cut that out and show you how it looks. So I've cut it out some gold mirror cardstock, and you can see that there is one inner star, full inner star, solid, and I'm just going to pop it on top of my stamping mat so that you can see it more clearly against the black background. So all of these stars are inlaid into each other. So we have concentric sized stars going down to that smallest middle one, and there is stitching detail on some of them as well. I love this die. Tracy has done an awesome job in designing this die, and I'm really pleased to have it in my collection. So that's day 4. I'd love for you to join me tomorrow so we can reveal what's in day 5. And if you'd like to subscribe, I would be very happy to have you as part of my community. Bye bye for now.